where does your head go there thinking about like the celebrity front of house person?
I think it's a dying breed. I think they're extinct. I think they're very undervalued. And the reason why I kind of opened up the interview saying that I'm a front of house guy is because, a lot of people, when they assume that I work in restaurants, like, oh, you were a chef. Oh, there's so many different things and roles that go into a restaurant. But I think even now, you look at Top Chef, right? And Iron Chef came back. It's just further incentivizing chefs to have this big ego. And I think ego is always the problem. Everyone has a big ego. So if that's at the heart of the issue, it's really sad to see because back in the day in New York, yeah, you're right. Actually, the front of house guy was more valuable than the chef. Like all the chefs wanted to go work for Cereal, and like there were these figures and celebrities would latch onto them, right? Your old MDs, like Maynard D's, they were the man. But that was my label too. And unfortunately, it's kind of lost its luster. People think of it as like a lead host, which is so different from what the role entails. What really gets a restaurant over that hump, and you see a lot of 2 Michelin star restaurants stay in that too, is they just don't have the extraordinary service. Being a front of house person, you can train yourself, but there's something inherently that you have, this like sixth sense almost, where you know what someone needs in advance ahead of time, and that becomes like the wow factor.